Welcome. So I want us to talk about a phobia or a disease that is happening in Umkhonto weSizwe. You know, a lot is happening in Umkhonto weSizwe. Let me tell you something interesting. Once you get a position, Jacob Zuma appoints you, you get this top position. By default, you become the enemy. You become enemy number one.
Sizoba nama structures interim akekho permanent wonke umuntu ukhona nje la siyamthuma ibayilokhu into esemqoka manje is to have amavoti awu 2/3 majority. That is our focus, all of us. Uma sesiwinile sisingale soqala phansi ke manje sakhe lento okuthiwa ama structures. Ngiyazi abantu bathanda kaphi ama structure kulento yenu. Siwafuni hayi manje siyeza isikhathi sawo. Okwamanje sibheka ukuwina ukhetho sibuyise izwe lethu kuthina kuqala. Uma sesiye enkonfeni ukusukela kwinational kuya phansi ebranchini akekho umuntu esomkhethe singamazi kahle hle ngoba sikho leso sidingo nesingamazi ukuthi uyakwazi ukusebenza na kodwa noma sekhethiwe ke kunikezwe abantu laba bakhona ukuthi ake nimchaze ukuthi nimthemba kangakanani lo esimkhetha manje. Bayikhulumela abantu basho ukuthi ayisiyamazi lo uyahlonipha ukhuthele uyabahlonipha abantu ukwazi ukubaphatha kahle abantu angconywe inkomfa yonke hayi umuntu ofika ngoba ephethe imali ingala ngemva ekhukhwini sokuthiwa yimina kumangameli angazi ukuthi unganyelwa kwenziweni kodwa ngifuna nje ukuba lapha ya no. Nase branchini sizokwenza njalo sizokwenza imithetho eqinile ngoba sibonile ukuthi uma imithetho ingekho abantu bayakhohlakala bese beyibona abanye bebakhulu kunabanye.
All the people who have positions in the MK party coming from the ground forces, they are not liked. They are not liked. It's because there's one reality that the MK party will need to accept as a new organization. By the way, this happens to all the organization is this one.
Bafowethu, the truth must be told. Singaloku esikhohlisana. MK vele sangenela imali. Mina nje ngiyibeka mina ngesingami ngangenela imali mina bafowethu ku MK. Sinalabangani bami labesangena nabo. Yathi mayiqala uMK ivela. Sathi ke na asijoineni lenhlangano ngoba inhlangano entsha siyoba bokuqala bayodla ama benefits enhlangano. Singaloko nje sikholisana sizazi ngene lokusebenzela iqembu kwasha kwacema kwavutha amalanga yera ukuthi imali sasizoyidla kanjani kodwa kona sasingene ukuzodla imali enhlanganweni bafowethu. Ngeke siloke sikholisana bafowethu. Ngabe uthi asingenele kona kuye eParliament noma kuba ho premier noma kuba ho minister noma yini. Hayi kona vele sasingenele imali kuMK bafowethu. Sezwe kuthiwa ke na o minister bakholo 120,000 ngenyanga. Sayaza kuthiwa ke na iparliament member ihola ngaphezulu ko 100,000. Sasingena ukuthi siyohlala ke eParliament siyohlala noma singeke senze lutho kodwa kusala imali siyayidla. Hayi keep imali saspenda amarala amaningi ayenziwa yithina lana mfethu siqasha abaculi mfethu qasha abaculi mfethu siqasha amatekisi mfethu. Cha vele sasingenela imali kuMK bafowethu. Mawutshala imali ulindele ukuzophumani wena? Ngokubuza nje wena. Utshala amazambane ulindele ukuzophumani Beetroot? Sasitshala imali asilindele imali nakhona lapho. Cha vele sasimina nje vele ngangifuna imali kuMK bafowethu. Qiniso lihle. Manje kokulonge ngimkhohlisa bafowethu ngithi hayi. Inhloso yami ka ukusebenzela abantu. Cha abantu sasizobasebenzela phela bafowethu. Kodwa into ayihamba phambili imali. The truth must be told.
So now there's a situation in the MK party which many comrades of the MK party, they are scared to confront. There's a gentleman called by Thobani Zuma. So Thobani Zuma is a member of KwaZulu-Natal Provincial Legislature for the Umkhonto weSizwe MK Party and a relative of a party leader, Jacob Zuma. So he was once faced a profile of suspension from the party alongside other provincial leaders amid internal financial and structural disputes. So I want us to discuss something about this gentleman, Thobani Zuma, because it seems like a lot of people were scared to confront him. It is reported that this Thobani Zuma that you see here is now bulldozing the members of Umkhonto weSizwe. This man has captured Umkhonto weSizwe. This man is running Umkhonto weSizwe as he pleases him. He is accused of taking bribes, of doing all sorts of things in the MK Party, and it seems like there are no repercussions for him. You know why? It's because he is Zuma related. So comrades in the MK Party, they are scared to touch him.
Tutuzan Zuma, Deputy President, besicela uxoshe isigebengu uThobani Zuma. Tutuzan Zuma, our Deputy President, sicela uxoshe uThobani Zuma isigebengu lesi esicashela emkhontweni eqenjini elikhulu kangaka nelihlonipheke kangaka. uThobani Zuma negenge yakhe yezigebengu babhizi baqoqotela isignature kababa uMsholozi, babhizi uqasha abantu bakhe ukuthi ibona bazoba ama-candidate angavotelwanga umphakathi, angakhethwanga umphakathi. Umphakathi kunabantu obakhethile obathembayo. uThobani Zuma ikhohlakala lezi ezimkhokhela imali ayithembisa ama-position obukhansela, zimkhokhela imali ayithembisa ama-position obukhansela. Manje baqoqotela isignature kababa ngoba efaka lezi ikhohlakala zakhe ezimbribile uThobani Zuma.
All right, let us start here so that you'll get where am I heading. Mlungisi kaMancinza posted this. Kusasa ngo-12 sizoveza ongukuhle ngosihlalo kwazelonke we-MK Party uNathi Nhleko silungisa ngaphakathi nangaphandle. So this is another accusation, right? So everyone that has a position in the MK Party, no one is clean. Everyone has been accused of some shenanigans of some sort, right? Because no one is clean. People want position, people want to put their own people want to get opportunities themselves. So when you come in before them, already they view you as their number one enemy. This was just a few days before Nathi Nhleko was removed for being the chairperson of the MK Party. Already Nathi Nhleko himself is accused of some malicious shenanigans that he is maybe reported that he has done. Everyone who has a position in the MK Party has done something very wrong or hideous. Once you get appointed, you become enemy number one. Already you are the weapon formed against the party and against those who dislike you. Let us start here. You remember Floyd Nyiko Shivambu was accused of witchcraft, and he was the SG of Umkhonto weSizwe, right? And giving positions to his supporters, says that he was sabotaging the party. Then it was Jabulani Khumalo. Jabulani Khumalo was accused of saying that he has received some bribes coming from the ANC and he's working now to collapse the MK Party. And the man was fired. Then we come to Nathi Nhleko. Nathi Nhleko is also accused of sowing factionalism and battles inside the MK Party and working with unknown enemies to take over the MK Party and to collapse it, right? And it was Sibonelo Nomvalo. Nomvalo almost got fired because he was also accused of working with the ANC and funded by the ANC and controlled by the ANC. And recently he was accused of taking a very large sum of money. So last time that we have seen of Thobani Zuma was back in 2025 when he was suspended from his legislative party duties by the MK party leadership. The reason was that the suspension stemmed from allegations of ill discipline and a refusal by provincial leaders to hand over control of constituency funding and bank accounts to newly appointed provincial structures and leadership. So it seems like this gentleman, Thobani Zuma, has started to bulldoze the MK party from long ago. Remember that there was a time whereby he refused to give bank statements. He refused, yeah, and saying that no, you are not coming to check the financials. You're not getting any reports from me, right? Even you're not getting any account from me. And that called now the MK party leadership to discipline him and to just put him outside. And many of us, we thought that no, this guy and the co-accused, they were now removed from the MK party, only to find out that no, the man was reshuffled and he was given another position that was not in the public. Now, MK party members are using guys like Max Makhanya to expose now the shenanigans which are done by Thobani Zuma. And seems like Thobani Zuma is the untouchable. Remember, he's the relative. He's the relative of Jacob Zuma. He's the man that belongs to there. In Nkandla. So the comrades of Umkhonto weSizwe, they are scared to touch him. Is the untouchable. Yeah? The unmappable. Can't do anything for him, because if you deal with Thobani Zuma, definitely the Zuma clan will influence JZ to deal with you. And you know, I was shocked because when I saw this post, it had more than 5,000 likes. And I will tell you for free that those likes were the members of Umkhonto weSizwe who are grieving about this individual, who wants this individual out, but they don't know what to do. So they are using Max Makhanya now to deal and expose the likes of Thobani, right? But the point of this video was that there is no love there in the MK party, especially when you get the position. You will only receive a backlash, a cold response from the members of the MK party. They will just accuse you of some hideous things, right? I'm not saying that people, they don't take bribes, they don't make mistake, and don't sell out the party or even give their friends and family members the positions. But I'm saying that no, as long as you are appointed there, you become a target. The comrades that you were once marching with on the ground, they turn against you and they accuse you. And in most cases, they falsely accuse you. Imagine accusing Floyd of witchcraft, saying that no, he wants to dethrone Jacob Zuma and he wants to take over the party, while Jacob Zuma asked him to be his deputy. Jacob Zuma asked him and he declined. He said so, that I declined to be his deputy. But there are people who accuse Floyd of saying that no, this one is a witch and he wants to dethrone and take over the MK party. So there's a lot. So you know, these cracks will just kill this party, because it shows that the members on the ground, they are not united. They are not one thing. They don't have love towards one another, because they all want a position. What's your take on this? Please leave it on the comment section below, and don't forget that you can press the subscribe button. It is free of charge. You don't pay anything, and you can press the super thanks button to support us, and you can leave the comment